You can see the topography of Andaman, you know. It is curved like this. So which way it is subducting? It is subducting like this, na? Subducting like this. Which is its foreland, which is its hinterland? If it is subducting that way, it is moving like this. Trench is moving like this. So this is forward direction. This will be foreland. This will be hinterland. Which way trench is moving? Understood, na? Now suppose I will ask you, you draw the island arc here. Island arc कहाँ draw करेंगे आप? इधर draw करेंगे ना? यहाँ volcanism होगा, यहाँ volcanism होगा, इधर volcanism होगा, इधर volcanism होगा. ऐसे होगा ना? Now if I ask you, here is a basin, here is a basin. What is this basin? Four arc basin. What is this basin? Back arc basin. Very easy. आप फोर और बैक किसके लिए यूज करते हैं वो बड़ी बात. So trench is this, forward direction is this. This much if you understood, be great, huh? Now, so I'll remove all these details, huh? I think you have taken it. ये हो गया. Now if I ask you, now here you have thick sediments. 2-3 किलोमीटर का सेडिमेंट यहीं पड़ा है. इधर आप ओशियनिक क्रस्ट है. ओशियनिक क्रस्ट सेडिमेंट को ये पकड़ के रखा है. इट इज वेरी टाइटली होल्ड, यू नो. इट इज नॉट ए ओपन होल. थिंग्स विल गो डाउन. वेरी टाइटली इट इज होल्डिंग, यू नो. सपोज आई आस्क यू, out of these two things, I will give one of them, no, a status of a bulldozer. Out of these two things, I will. This is one plate. This is another plate. I will give status of one plate to a bulldozer. Which will be bulldozer? This one will be bulldozer, you know. You know, understand why? बुलडोजर आप देखा है? जब कभी इलीगल कंस्ट्रक्शन होता है तो वो पीडब्ल्यूडी वाला बुलडोजर भेज दे, तो तोड़ के फेंक दो मिट्टी फिटी जो आएगी. तो कौन मिट्टी को फेंकता है इधर? ये क्यों मिट्टी को फेंक गया? ये तो इसका एक प्रोडक्ट है. ये कुछ नहीं करता है, ये उसको फेंकता है. ऐसे करता है कि नहीं करता है? So this is the bulldozer, you know. So China plate is working like a bulldozer. It is scraping of the sediments. It is scraping of this also. This lithospheric part, this oceanic part also. Both are being scrapped off. So at the trench, the scrapping off is going on, you know. Scrapping off, you are understanding that? If you remember bulldozer, who is a bulldozer, you will understand. So that means the materials, the China plate will throw away the materials from the Indian plate over where? On the foreland. It will throw the material on the foreland. Foreland ये है, इसके ऊपर इसको फेंकेगा. That is the job it is doing. Similarly, Pacific Ocean is throwing off the materials over where? See, American plate is subducting. Oh, sorry, I did a mistake. Pacific is here, and here is America. Which is bulldozer? America is bulldozer. So it is scrapping up Pacific materials, you know, and throwing over Pacific. यही है ना? तो ये जो throw कर रहा है, you are unable to see it because this is inside the sea. It is a subduction, you know. Same thing might be happening initially, you know. जब Indian plate was subducting under China, the scrapping of the materials which you are seeing today, they are lying inside Pacific. Because it's ocean ना, ocean के अंदर वो बैठा है. वो जो थ्रो ऑफ मटेरियल्स आर लाइंग विदिन, ऐसा इसको निकाल तो देखो इसको इसका यही करता है ना. सेम थिंग चाइना प्लेट वाज आल्सो डूइंग फॉर इंडिया, बट दे आर ऑल रिमेनिंग विदिन द टेथिस. ओशन था ना, तब तक अंदर रहेगा जब तक ये नहीं पहुंचते हैं वहां, तभी जाके ऊपर उठेगा वो सब मटेरियल. नहीं तो अंदर रहो. ओशन है ना, क्या थोड़ा बहुत निकल जाएगा. So when this is throwing up the materials or scrapping up of the materials, you know, what type of shape it will assume? You understand my point? You imagine a bulldozer. The bulldozer is taking up the materials like this, you know. Everything was, you know, lying here. यह कोई हाइट का अंदर बहुत बुलडोजर घूमते हैं आजकल. ऐसे देखो आपको बुलडोजर का ऐसा है, उसको ऐसे ऐसे लेके जाता है. The sediments are piling up here. It is rising its height, you know, gradually. It will become like this. देखा कि नहीं देखा? वो कैसे करेगा? बुलडोजर का, सपोज बुलडोजर का हेड ये है, ये सेडिमेंट्स है और सॉइल है, ये ऐसे राइज करेगा, ऐसे राइज करके 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 यहाँ पर धीरे 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 ऐसा एक शेप लेगा ना, ये देखो ऐसा एक शेप लेगा ना, लेगा कि नहीं लेगा? Because earlier it was here, thin, but now it is pushing. So materials will rise, height. Some will go going this way, sliding this way. Etching a shape like this. अब 3 डायमेंशन देखो इसको कैसे देखेगा? यहाँ कैसे होगा? तो ऐसा, ये मटेरियल ना ऐसे उठ जाएगा, ऐसे उठेगा. If you see the total thing, it will be like this. And if you see the third dimension, उधर ऐसे लगेगा, ऐसे लगेगा. मैं आपको बताता हूँ. ऐसा है कि नहीं? ये क्या है? What is the geometry? हाँ? वेज तो है, कैसे वेज मतलब खिला है. ज्योमेट्रिकल शेप इज है कि नहीं? So you produce a prism. So from flat sediments, you are creating a prism here, Yes, you also with prism or with anything. कैसे हो? With. So this prism is called एक्रिसनरी प्रिज्म. वही एक्रिसनरी, ये मटेरियल सब यहाँ से उठ के ना इसका ऊपर लग जाएंगे. एक्रिसन मीन्स एडिशन. सो मटेरियल्स आर वंस अपॉन ए पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया. इंडिया का पार्ट था, अभी नाउ दे हैव बिकम पार्ट ऑफ चाइना नाउ. इसलिए वो तिब्बत को ले जाता है हमेशा आके. बोला ये एक्रिसनरी है भाई मेरा. इंडिया को तो कुछ बोल भी नहीं सकता, इतना बड़ा पार्टी चढ़ने के लिए मन नहीं करता. तो दिस इज द एक्रिसनल प्रिज्म, व्हिच विल बी बिल्ट अप इन द ट्रेंच. पहले ये नहीं था, आउट ऑफ स्क्रैपिंग मटेरियल्स. ये तो हम तो ऐसे प्लेनली ड्रॉ कर दिया, दैट इज फाइन, बट दिस विल बी हैविंग दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ ज्योमेट्री. सपोज दिस इज गोइंग लाइक दिस, ये मटेरियल सब है ना ऐसा ऐसे सब रहेंगे इसका. ऐसे कर flowery type. So this is one thrust sheet, this is one thrust sheet, this is another thrust sheet. Okay, they will be scrapping up and throwing, scrapping up and throwing. किताब पढ़े हैं सब ऐसे, सपोज किताब पढ़े हैं, आप यहाँ से स्क्रैप कर रहे हो, थ्रो कर रहे हैं ना ऐसा. So this is one thrust sheet, next thrust sheet, next thrust sheet, like this, a number of such thrust sheet will be occurring in this prism. So a prism consists of number of thrust sheets or lappings. Funny, but as a whole, if you see, they look like this. Inside this, you will get all those materials. But externally, it is a very big, dump of material, heap of material. Now, ये material के अंदर क्या है? Material के अंदर the sediments are there. Materials are part of this oceanic crust is there, na? See, this prism. I'll draw a little detail, So now you have sedimentary materials will be there. There may be a DVDV. Do you understand that? Oceanic crust, too much stratigraphy देखा. It is not only 1 kilo basalt or 1 kilo or ledgerite. कुछ भी, any part of it, entire sequence also can come. Then there may be a sedimentary part, again sedimentary part. Maybe VV again, VV. Like this, this will be ऐसा करके a flower जैसा बन के रखा है. Understood this part, na? Why it is called accretionary prism? And each oceanic crust or the sediments mixed together. समझे ना? Now these parts are what? Oceanic crust part. Oceanic crust part which has been emplaced into the sediments, into the prism. Otherwise वो नीचे था, उसको उठा के ले आया ऊपर. Some of them might lie over the sediments, though it is older, but it is lying over the sediment. Understood or not? So this crust, oceanic crust, part of this oceanic crust, which is now overlying or occurring within the prism, is called ophiolite. This is the ophiolite. Ophiolite. So ophiolite is, by definition, it is part of the oceanic crust. Oceanic crust, scraped off during subduction. And occur within the accessory prism. तो सेडिमेंट के साथ ऐसा इंटरफिंगरिंग करके बैठे. So those are ophiolites. And there is another term called mullange. Mullange, M-E-L-A-N-G, mixed rock. Now you can define what is a mixed rock. Sediment. So ये तो इतना ideal situation मैंने draw कर दिया. As if seed by seed somebody is keeping. Right? This is a process, you know. Terrible stress is being concentrated. Two plates and a lot of activity is going on. So they will break. They will churn whole thing. Sedimentary, lost volcanic, everything will be churned, you know, and be placed, you know. ऐसा brexia होगी बढ़ सकती. So mullange is a tectonic brexia. Consisting of sediment, consisting of ophiolite, and so mullange is a mixed rock. Ophiolite is a oceanic crust. So all these assemblages, you know, they make your prism. So this prism is out of the scraping of the materials from the ocean floor by this overriding plate. So why it is prismatic shape, you understand why. Now this prism will gradually, you know, propagate. You see, this prism will propagate. Which way it will propagate? Towards foreland, na? Now the definition galat nahi hoga. It will move towards foreland. Why? Bulldozer is going like this. It is picking up the material. More you push, it will become higher. More you push, what will happen? It has certain specific height it can go. You know. Beyond that it cannot go. फिर ब्रेक करेगा. ब्रेक करके फिर आगे बढ़ेगा. So it maintains a constant height. It cannot go beyond that height, you know. So this wedge or whatever you say, you know, it is this shape, like this, you know. This height, you know, it depends on the gravity, depends on the material property. Prism height, it cannot go beyond that. You must have seen a bulldozer. You cannot build a building there in front of the building. After that, it will break and spread, break, spread, collapse and spread, collapse and spread. So from here the material will collapse. ये हो गए, ये ऐसे हो जाएंगे, ऐसे लंबा बढ़ जाएगा, फिर बढ़ेगा, फिर बढ़ के यहाँ जब यहाँ आ जाएगा, फिर यहाँ बड़ा हो जाएगा, फिर कोलैप्स करेगा, फिर बढ़ जाएगा ऐसे. This is what will happen, collapsing and propagating. So the wedge will collapse or prism will collapse because of gravity, because the material is not strong enough. With a little height it will collapse. If material is strong enough, it will collapse with a greater height. You have to follow this point. So this collapse and propagation will start or continue toward the foreland side. ऐसे चलते रहेगा. So what is called, you know, this angle, this floor and this topography. This is now wedge topography or the prism topography, height, this upper surface. So this angle is called critical wedge angle. I will not go details about this. It is structural unit course, fully structural unit course. मैं अभी इसको नहीं बताऊंगा, बट आप इतना याद रखो, this is the critical wedge angle और taper wedge angle, you know, taper wedge angle. Sometimes Google में देख लेगा. ये एंगल मेंटेन होता है, सर में भी 30 डिग्री, 20 डिग्री. वो मटेरियल प्रॉपर्टी का ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, मटेरियल वो ग्रेविटी का ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, और क्या वो एंगल इज डिसाइडेड, दैट वेरीज फ्रॉम प्लेस टू प्लेस. सो दैट कीपिंग दैट एंगल कांस्टेंट, दिस थिंग विल मूव. यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस पार्ट ना. अभी आप देखो, अभी चाइना प्लेट इज पुशिंग ना ओवर इंडिया का ऊपर आ रहा है, तो वेयर इज द प्रिज्म? चाइना प्लेट का साथ प्रिज्म है, अभी तो समुद्र से निकल गया, अभी यहाँ आके इधर पहुंच गया, फिर ये प्रिज्म से ऊपर आ गए. Once upon a time it was inside the water, now it has come up. But these are the sediments deposited in the ocean floor. That is the prism. So this prism, in case of Himalaya, is tethys sediments. We'll read it, tethys sediments. So that what is happening? जब थोड़ा सा चाइना पुश कर रहा है, इसका हाइट बढ़ रहा है ना, हाइट जब बढ़ रहा है तो स्टेबल नहीं है, तो लैंडस्लाइड होगा, कोलैप्स करेगा, अर्थक्वेक आएगा. ये तो आप जब पुश किया, अर्थक्वेक क्रिएट किया, तो फर्स्ट इंस्टेंस ऑफ क्रिएटिंग अर्थक्वेक, फिर तो इसको बढ़ा दिया थोड़ा, लैंडस्लाइड होगा, कोलैप्स करेगा ऐसा, तो एवरेस्ट माउंटेन नीचे आ जाएगा ऐसे स्लम्प करके. बोथ थिंग्स आर occurring together, collapsing as well as seismicity, na, they are occurring together. That is why, you know, in most of these collision or subduction zones also, this accretional prism faces this type of landslide. In case of America, you cannot see it; it is inside the water. But in case of Himalaya, you are seeing it. Every time, whenever there is an earthquake in Himalaya, Nepal earthquake you tell, or the Himachal Pradesh earthquake you see, the higher ridges they come down. Why higher ridges come down? You know, when there is an earthquake, maybe it is shaking. That is one point. But saying that you cannot increase this height, it cannot hold. It has to collapse. So it is collapsing and creating landslide because it has to maintain this angle. Follow this point or not? Tell me. Huh? Just like a bulldozer, you are taking the bulldozer. The sediments cannot stand infinitely in the height. It has to collapse. It has to collapse, and it has to propagate towards north. ठीक है ना? So now this prism. This is the prism. So prism में अभी क्या हम लोग क्या सोचते हैं? समुद्र का अंदर है. Now when this is happening, you know, the thrust sheets are going out, then धीरे-धीरे push हो रहा है. This point of time, some sedimentation is also going on. You see? अभी समुद्र का अंदर है, यहाँ से सेडिमेंट आएंगे ना. The process is your scrap off is happening. You are building a prism. But prism के ऊपर तो कुछ सेडिमेंट डिपॉजिट होगा ना. Those sediments will be coming from here. यहाँ से चाइना से आता होगा, यहाँ से आके इसका ऊपर डिपॉजिट करेगा. यहाँ से सेडिमेंट होते जा रहा है. That is not stopping. But sediments which is happening here, they are directly derived from this hinterland. This is the hinterland. Arc you are creating, volcanic arc you are creating. यहाँ का arc बना रहे हैं आप. Arc से material is being derived. यहाँ से material is being derived and being deposited over this prism. Prism के ऊपर आप deposit कर रहे हैं. So those sediments, you understand the process what is happening. The same time also sediments are coming from here and being deposited here. India से आगे sediments deposit होते हैं यहाँ. यहाँ से कुछ disturbance नहीं हो रहा है. Disturbance तो उधर ही हो रहा है. Now you see between these two sediments, what will be the difference? You understand this part of the thing. यहाँ जब आप इसको घुसा रहे हैं, building create कर रहे हैं, so much of deformation is going on, volcanism is happening. Now यहाँ बारिश हो रहा है, sediment इसको लेके आ रहा है, इसका ऊपर डिपॉजिट कर रहा है. और इधर भी बारिश हो रहा है, sediments